And that's pretty much everything, you guys. That's the breakdown right there, you guys, on the Yamaha golf cart. That's gonna match the truck. Y'all already know what time it is. What's up, YouTube, man? Welcome back to the channel, man. Another episode of Chilling with Jay. If you're new to the channel, hit that like button, subscribe. If you're not new, welcome back. Yes, sir. As you guys can see, man, we back up here at China, boy. Yes, sir. I'm gonna get it all cleaned up, then we're gonna coat it. Start that rust. As you guys can see, y'all already know. Well, half of you might know, half you might not know, but that comes from the acid from the batteries. It just eats it up, corrodes it. It like put corrosion on it, and it just eats it up, you guys. So we're gonna stop that today. We're gonna treat this, get it right. Everywhere else look pretty decent. The worst of it is like there, 2 pieces here. Everywhere else look pretty decent. Little piece right here. I ain't get to check underneath it yet. Up here look pretty decent. But I'ma still paint everything. But my plan for the day is to focus on this, so it don't get no worse than what it is now. I think under here pretty good, you guys. Yeah, under there it's pretty good. So the worst of it is here, 2 pieces there, right here. That's pretty much it. I definitely want to hop into this and get this over with so we can move forward. The lift kit should be here tomorrow, and we can put the lift kit on and put the rims and tires on while Chinaman and working on the body. We getting it done, you guys. I ain't gonna do too much talking. I'm gonna set you guys up and let's get to work. Yes, sir. Alright, you guys, that pretty much wraps it up. As you guys can see, it's eating that rust away. So we're gonna let this sit until tomorrow, and we'll be back at it. It's doing its job, you guys. Tell me what you guys think. Yes, sir. Getting the job done. So we'll hop back on this tomorrow, you guys. Alright, you guys, we back over here at China, man. It's the next day. Coming to check and see how this flow did. Yes, sir. As you guys can see, that rust remover doesn't play no games. Think she ready to rock out. Yes, sir. Tell me what you guys think. We're gonna get ready to coat it to protect it from them acid batteries, so that'll stop happening. It won't happen no more. Came out pretty nice, you guys. The guys just started on the body work on the golf cart. Got the back piece, the front piece, and the roof. And I decided at the last minute I'm gonna go ahead and do this piece blue too. I want to have less black, more blue, less black. And if you guys remember, on the black golf cart, I took these pieces off. These two right here, one on the left, one on the right. They grinded the holes so they can cover them up, because I'm gonna take those pieces off. I'm not putting those back on. But as you guys can see, they washed it and they scuffed it. Well, they're scuffing it now, getting ready to do the body work on them. We're getting it done, you guys. We on top of it. She coming along. So I'm gonna get you guys set up so we can hop on this golf cart and get this frame coated. So y'all stay tuned. Let's get it. You guys, that pretty much wraps it up. Yes, sir. As you guys can see, you shouldn't have no more problems with that rust. Well, at least not in these spots. Yes, sir. Tell me what you guys think. So tomorrow, well tonight we're gonna let this dry, and tomorrow we'll be back at it. I want to get this rest of the frame cleaned up. I'll probably start off camera tonight cleaning up the frame, so I won't have so much to do on camera. So at the end of the day, when I start on this frame tomorrow, what I'm gonna do with the frame is I'm gonna use the bed liner for the frame, you guys. I'm not gonna paint it on like I did here. I did that on the black card I painted it on. That drove me crazy. I ain't doing that again. So I told myself I'm gonna rock line it with the spray cans that I use from AutoZone. The same ones I use for the Blazer. Y'all know, if y'all remember that video, how I did the Blazer, that's how I'm gonna play this one. Because ain't no way. Man, it took me forever to do that frame. So we're gonna get this frame cleaned up, you guys. And we'll be back at it tomorrow. Make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe. Until later on. Peace.